orkestra ay nagkagulo-gulo. Ang kanilang mga instrumento ay luma na at sintonado. Ang drummer ay inuubo-ubo, hikain pa ang nagbabaho. Saksoponista ay mga gago, taga-turutot ay sira-ulo. Trumpet ay kalawangin, barado at wala ng hangin. Trombon ay yupik-yupik na rin, ang taga-ihip ay pungal ang ipin. Nagalit ang mga barangay, orkestra'y kanilang inaway. Dahil sa kanilang tugtog na walang kabuhay-buhay, ipinalit ang hayop na kumbo, baboy ang nagbabaho. Ang drummer ay aso, butiki ang nagpipiano, pusa ang organista, manok ang gumigitara. Ayos din ang aming disco sa tugtog ng hayop na kumbo. Nag-rock and roll ang mga daga, nagtatsa ang mga palaka. Nagalit ang kabayong bakla, ikalabaw na tumutula. Palakpakan ang surot at ipis, sa gagamba na nag-flying trapeze. Ayos din ang aming disco sa tugtog ng hayop na kumbo. Ayos din ang aming disco sa tugtog ng hayop na kumbo. March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila git at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolos and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry." That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.